Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use voice commands to operate your phone's hands-free Android or iOS accessibilities. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. As you can see, I'm using this Android phone. All you gotta do is simply follow these steps if you want to activate your voice commands to operate your phone hands-free on your Android device. So first of all, you need to go to the settings and simply scroll down and tap on your accessibilities option. So once you tap on accessibilities, you need to go and tap on your voice access. So if you tap on interaction and dexterity, you need to find the voice access right over there. So once you find this, you can simply say commands like open this app to launch application or go home. You can simply read this and you can simply follow the on-screen commands by the help of the voice control. So you can also see the list of available commands like go home, go back, show notification, click OK, or open photos. So this can be done with your voice commands completely hands-free. So this is how you can simply do this. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.